Hello guys, how are you doing? I'm Bhavna Chawla. Welcome to my channel Smart Horizon. This is the course that is designed for those who want to learn Photoshop from the beginning. In short, we will be learning from scratch. As the name suggests, Photoshop is used for creating an image or editing an existing image. In this tutorial, we will be learning the interface introduction to Adobe Photoshop. After opening Photoshop, first thing that we do is go to Windows, scroll down to Workspace, and then scroll down to Essentials. Click on Essentials. This is the default workspace. To have the same interface, we again go to Windows and scroll down to Workspace and click on Reset Essentials. In the new version, that is the upgraded version of the Photoshop, we have this dark color workspace, but if you are using the older one, it will be much of a lighter shade. You can always change the color of the workspace. For that, you have to go to Edit, scroll down to Preferences, click on the interface. Here we have all the 4 shades. I prefer the darker one. So now have a look at the interface. At the left corner we have this panel having tools. This is the toolbar or the tool panel. As you can see, we have a lot of icons on this panel. To activate a tool, we must click on it like this. Or you can even press the shortcut key for the tool, which is given here. Like for quick selection tool, we press W. As we can see, many of these tools have this white arrow at one corner. When we click it and hold it, we will see a menu having more tools. If you see at the bottom of the tool panel, you will see 2 squares overlapping. These are the foreground color and the background color. At its top, we have a small arrow-like icon. This icon swaps the foreground color and the background color. For swapping the colors, we should click this arrow. This is the default icon, default color icon. It will set our foreground color as black and the background color as white. As we have not changed any color, so we can't see the change. You can see these double arrows on the top of the tool panel. If we click it once, the tool panel now has double line, and to get it single again, we should click it again. At the top we have the main menu. This is same as in any other software that you use. We can create a new document, save the existing one, or we can even open the existing document, that is the document that we have on our device. And you can do much more. Just below the main menu, we have this control panel. Here we can control the options for the tools which we have selected. This panel is really very useful as it has various properties and options. To a particular tool that is selected by you, you have different options. You will soon realize this is the key panel of the Photoshop. As you can note down how the control panel changes when I select different tools. So now, if we move to the right, we have some other panels like the layer panel, the color panel, and the other panels too. If we see closely, these panels also include some other tabs. Like in the layer panel, we also have the channel panel and the path panel too. In Photoshop, we can arrange and customize these panels in various ways. We will see it later. At the bottom, we have the magnification percentage. We can zoom in and out by clicking on this box and writing a specific value. For example, if I write 150, it will zoom in. And if I write 50, it will zoom out to 50%. Next, we will be looking at what the document tab is. When we make some document, we have the name here. This is what we call it as document tab. This is what we call it as document tab. If we have multiple documents open, we have multiple tabs here. Like I have these 3 tabs here. We can click on the tab of the document we want to work in. And we can always close these tabs by clicking this cross sign at the top of the tab. So this is the overview of the Adobe Photoshop interface. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, kindly press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified when we upload new content. Thank you.